Average day in a train station. Don't mind about the little peculiar things around me. Wait a minute. How can the train's wheels are smaller than the rails? When did the lights become red? I was so curious to see. Hey, what's going on? What the f? Oh, good that the train didn't smash me. Where do I go? And how the f? I can't touch the spark or... Oh shit!
Restore the power from the janitor's closet.
A security room keycard? Yes, please. That scream is loud. But my curiosity led me here. Sorry, but not really. What to say? I don't remember a door opening like that. Let's enter, shall we? That's kind of scary for a door like that. Huh? The lights. Oh my.
Hello.
Hello.
I saw you breached access to the security room.
Yes,
I
and?
have no idea how you made it in here.
Because I'm
And
smart.
yes, I am sentient. Human.
No one
You
cares.
probably saw the whole crash from the runaway subway.
Indeed.
Since you are the lonely one here, I'll tell you a secret.
Okay,
I
what is
may
it?
or may
You
not have
finally got
purposely
a
adjusted the
girlfriend
brake controls.
non-sadistic.